Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to insert the reference or citation into the Word file using Zotero. I hope you have downloaded the citations and downloaded the software. Simply open the Zotero and make sure you have downloaded some citations. Okay, then you open the Word file and make sure there is a Zotero options. So once you have Word file and library, and simply click where you want to insert the citation. And for example, I want to insert here, and then click add citation, and then this window will open. This window will open, and since there will be many citations, so you can click on option library. Now you will be able to see the whole library. Okay, that's more nice. So if you click on the library, so which citation I want to use, maybe this one, and then click on this plus button. So once you click on this plus button, the citation is here. If I want another one, I can simply also click this one. No, I have two citations which are going to be cited here, and then click on this arrow, and you can see 1 and 2 citations. But at the bottom, unlike EndNote, there is no bibliography. So we also need to add the bibliography or informations. So again, click here and click this option, add bibliography. It will be added. So this is the way how we can add the citations. And let's cite another article here and add citation. Which article I want? This one article, and simply click add here, and then click. So now it's 1, and these are 2 and 3, and since I have already added, click this option, so bibliography is automatically added. So now we have inserted the citations, and this citation belong to output style is belong to which journal? ACS Nano. So how we can change this style directly? So simply go to ACS Nano and click carbon, for example, and note the style will change automatically. Yeah, now you can say the style is changed. Let's choose another one, and maybe nature, and see. Yeah, style is again changed. So this is the way how you can insert the citation and update the style. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.